we start by just logging into the digital building platform. Like all our stuff, it's web based, so it's simple as logging into any other website, username and password, and off you go. And once you're in, you get presented with the list of buildings that you have in your portfolio. We only have the one. It's our demo building, but you could have, you know, an unlimited number of buildings here. Currently, we're logged in as admin, so you have some extra user rights to add and remove people and so on. You have slightly more access, and you can change things like the metadata and so on, which we'll touch on in a few moments. Immediately, you can see here that the last piece of data you got was about 7 seconds ago. The last data message was just over about a minute ago. The last alarm was 1 month and 21 days ago, and the last alarm message was 52 seconds ago. So really, what that's telling you with alarms is saying that the last time there was an active alarm was 1 month ago, well, over a month ago. And with the last alarm message, it says, well, the last time I got a message with no alarms in it was 52 seconds ago. So everything is, if you have an alarm, you'll see a big red alarm here. You can't miss it. And really, this is just a heartbeat system. Just lets you know, and it goes red if there's any problems. Just lets you know if there's been any issues in terms of connectivity between your building and the platform. And then down here, you can see all of the options you've got, the most useful ones. So you can see all of the data points. Meters are effectively data points with meter data in them, but if you tag them as meter points, then they go into a special category and give you some more kind of averaging data as well. And then you have your various alarms. So when you click on meters, you get a list of meters. And you can see a few sub-meters here as well. If we go down to the point of interest, which is the upstairs kilowatt hour meter, you can click on the chart. Now, this will show you similar data, but it's got a slightly different perspective. So what it's going to show you is the half hourly grouping. It'll give you the average over the average over the data that you're displaying, gives you the minimums and the maximums. If you're missing any data, it'll have filled it in. Now normally, or it will tell you that the data is missing. Now normally with meter data, that's not so much of a problem because the next meter reading will be the correct one anyway. But it's telling you what the data integrity is like. And then you'll get some stats at the bottom as well. And we'll continue expanding that as the digital platform goes. Now you can do that by day, week, month, year, whichever way you want. The reason the lowest resolution in this particular view is 30 minutes is because the trading windows for energy in the UK is 30-minute windows. So it makes sense to know what you're using every 30 minutes.